Good morning, Assalamu alaikum. Today I will discuss a few basic tips to crack any of the medical exams you are about to appear in. Number one, you have to be consistent, you have to be disciplined so that the study part of the exam or the preparation part of the exam doesn't feel like a burden to you. Rather, it becomes a habit to study every day, to focus on what you are preparing, and to plan what you are going to execute in the near future, so that you can do it in a very relaxed fashion, and you need not to worry in the end that what is going to happen now. So in order to avoid that anxiety, you have to be consistent and you have to be motivated. You have to speed up, and you have to maintain a pace, a tempo. And number two, you have to focus on your health, because if you are healthy, if you are feeling well spiritually, emotionally, mentally, and physically, even then you can prepare for any exam or anything. Otherwise, it's really tough. Number three, you have to focus on your surroundings. You have to check what kind of atmosphere do you have, what support do you have, what resources do you have, and how you can collect all the resources from which you can move forward, and you can try your level best to achieve your goals. And number four, this point is very important, because if you do not you're not a good manager, it's very difficult, because in the end what matters is your management. And the management part includes your of course your all the summary of all the points which I have already discussed, plus it also includes proper execution of everything which you have discussed. And in the end, I will say that first and foremost thing is hope, and a feeling of being motivated, a feeling of moving forward. Because if you are demotivated, hopeless, and you think that you cannot do anything, then believe me, actually you cannot do anything. So you need to get up, you need to gather your energies in order to move forward. Otherwise, we all waste a lot of time, and many times we especially we doctors, we get very disappointed when we have to face so much competition, and so much struggle has to continue in later years of our lives, when we have already finished the basic medical degree. So with all this, I think enough talk for today. I'll come tomorrow to discuss more issues. Okay, signing off, Humaira Mustafa.